Hi everybody, I hope you guys are having a good day. Today I'm going to be making some London broil. I've got a very busy day tomorrow, so I thought I would get ahead and do some meal prep for tomorrow. So I'm going to prep my London broil for tomorrow's dinner. So let's get started. So I've already washed my hands and I'm going to put my other glove on. But before I get started, I wanted to let you guys know that the merch, including this apron that I'm wearing, it says "In the Kitchen with Alethea," is available at aletheakitchencorner.com if you would like to buy one. I also have the black t-shirts and the white t-shirts, and also black and white baseball caps that are unisex as well. Again, you could find them at aletheakitchencorner.com. So, again, like I said, I'm going to be making London broil tomorrow. Got a very busy, long day tomorrow. So, I'm going to do some meal prep so that by the time I get home, all I have to do is put dinner in the oven, and it's going to make life a lot easier. So, I have here a London broiled steak. Look at how nice that looks. Very pretty, right? This is about a 2-pound London broiled steak. So let's give it a wash. Make sure you wash your meat. Okay, so we washed our meat, and here I have just a bag that I've gotten from the supermarket. Usually you can find these in the grocery section where you get your fruits and vegetables. So I just grab a couple of these to marinate my meat. If you don't have these, you can use Ziploc bags or even the shopping bags that you get when you go to the grocery store. So anything will do as long as it's clean. So I have my meat in the bag, and I'm going to add some fresh garlic to it. I'm going to say about 2 garlic cloves chopped. So we'll chop our garlic up here. Give it a good smash or a good whack, whichever is easier for you. I just press down on it, but whatever you do is fine, just as long as you get it open. Doesn't matter. So we've got our 2 garlic cloves here. Just chop it up. Not too big because you don't want to bite into a big chunk of garlic. Let's just make sure we got all the paper off there. Okay, so let's just chop our garlic. I love the smell of garlic. It smells so good. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and stay a while with me. And hit that like and subscribe button so that when I do upload new videos, you'll be able to see the new recipes. So We are moving along, chopping our garlic here. I'm gonna chop it kind of small. I don't like it too big. And then that way it really permeates the London broil that we're going to make for tomorrow's dinner. So we are just going to add this to our bag that we have here for our meat. So we're going to just add it to the bag. Just adding all our garlic. Okay. Then we're going to add, let's see here. You guys can see. Going to add some pepper to our marinade here for our London broil. I say about 1 tablespoon of pepper. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oregano. You don't want to add too much oregano because oregano can be strong, so you don't want to add too much. I'm going to add some olive oil. I'd say about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Some salt, about a tablespoon of that, or maybe a teaspoon, not too much salt. Then we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. I love this stuff. I'm going to add, that's probably like 2.5 tablespoons. I love that stuff. And then I have some thyme here. I've got about 5 fresh thyme leaves that you want to add. So I'm just going to tie the bag and make sure that we don't have any leakage of our liquid, because we want to marinate this for tomorrow. And you really just want to work in your marinade. Make sure you're rubbing it into the meat, all of the seasoning, so that by the time tomorrow comes, your meat will be very well marinated. The last thing I'm going to add to this is a little bit of vinegar. If you have, and here's where it really doesn't matter, it's up to you what you want to add. If you have apple cider vinegar, you could add that. If you have regular vinegar, you can also add that. It really doesn't matter what kind of vinegar you have. What the vinegar is going to do is going to help to make this meat a little bit more tender. And when you cook it, it will start to really it'll tenderize it. Hold on one second. So we have our vinegar here. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon and a half of vinegar. And again, you want to just tie your bag so that you don't lose any liquid. So again, you want to work your marinade into your meat so that it's very tender. Now, if you were going to cook this tonight, I would say marinate it for about 2 hours minimum, because London broil can be a tough cut of meat. So you really want to give it time to get tender. Even though you're going to cook it in the oven, the vinegar will also help it tenderize. So you want to give it some time to also let the vinegar work with the marinade as well. So if you can let it marinate for about 3 hours, that's great. Overnight is better. So mine is going to marinate overnight because, again, this is going to be for our dinner tomorrow night. So, excuse me, excuse me. So this is going to be for our dinner tomorrow night. And this is all ready to go in the refrigerator. I would put it into a bowl or in another plastic bag. What I'm going to do is put it into a Ziploc bag so that just in case a little liquid gets out of the bag, then there's no leakage in your refrigerator. So even if you have an old shopping bag or a paper bag, or a bowl, whichever you have in the house, so that if it should leak, it won't leak in your refrigerator. So let's get another bag. So I'm going to just use I have these freezer Ziploc bags. So whatever you have in the house is fine, just so that you can keep your refrigerator clean, because nobody wants to do extra work, right? So I'm going to just put it in here, and it's going to marinate overnight. And then tomorrow, once I take it out to cook, it's going to be ready, and it's going to be well seasoned. So we got our London broil that we have prepped for our dinner tomorrow night. It smells wonderful. Really, really good. So let's put it in the refrigerator. Okay, guys, so we have our London broil that we've done for tomorrow night's dinner. It's going to make our life a lot easier tomorrow. I've got a long day tomorrow, so when I get home from work, it's going to be a lot easier to get dinner started with us prepping the London broil tonight. So if you want to make your life easier during the week or during the weekends, you could do the same thing by prepping your meat the day before. Just as long as you wash it, season it. If you know what seasonings that you like, you can season it the night before. And just as I did, put it into a bag after you've washed your meat, and put it in a zip bag, and either put it into a bowl, or you can put it into a Ziploc bag so that when you come home, the meat is waiting for you to cook. So that saves on time, when you have a long work day. So tomorrow, guys, we're going to be making London broil. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow for dinner. So thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen. And again, we have the aprons on sale, we have the t-shirts on sale, and also we have the baseball caps. I'm also, this week, I have the jackets in the kitchen with the fleece jackets that I'm going to be rolling out as well. It's a black fleece jacket with also the In the Kitchen with Alethea logo. I'm going to be wearing that maybe tomorrow night. If not tomorrow, then maybe we'll do that later in the week. But If you are interested in buying them, you could find it at In the Kitchen with Alethea. Not In the Kitchen with Alethea. AletheaKitchenCorner.com. And also, guys, like and share the video and give me a thumbs up and let me know what you guys like to do when you marinate your meat, or when you are doing meal prep for days that you're going to be busy, or you are running and taking the children to their activities. What time savers do you use when you are doing meal prep? So I hope to see you guys tomorrow night. And again, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.